Makita's 5 inches SJS Angle Grinder combines 13-amp variable speed power with comfort and motor protection features for longer-lasting stone grinding and polishing performance. This is engineered with Makita's innovative SJS mechanical clutch system to protect the gears for longer tool life. 13-amp power with SJS to protect gears. This is powered by a 13-amp motor with a soft start for smoother startups. The 5-stage variable speed dial 2,800 to 10,500 RPM allows the user to match the RPM to the application. The electronic limiter stops the motor and reduces accidental motor overload and burnout. And the electronic speed control maintains consistent speed under load. Labyrinth construction protects the motor with a complex set of channels, prohibiting dust and contamination. In addition, the protective zig-zag varnish seals the motor and bearings from dust and debris by creating a barrier under rotation. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This is engineered with SJS mechanical clutch system, an innovation from Makita that protects the gears by automatically disengaging the motor should the grinding wheel accidentally catch or bind. Comfort and ergonomics. This is built with comfort and ergonomic features for extended use. The grinder weighs just 5.2 pounds, with a lock-on switch for easy operation. In addition, the side handle can be easily installed on either side of the tool, and the tool-less wheel guard adjustment provides easy clamping. Variable speed for stonework. This is a versatile and powerful grinder with variable speed, allowing the user to set the RPM to the material. The variable speed control feature makes this ideal for stonework, including polishing and grinding. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful 13.0 amp motor delivers more output and variable RPM. Number 2. SJS technology is a mechanical clutch system that helps prevent motor and gear damage by allowing the drive shaft to slip if the wheel is forced to stop. Number 3. Variable speed control dial enables the user to match the speed to the application. Number 4. Constant speed control automatically applies additional power to the motor to maintain speed under load. Number 5. Soft start suppresses startup reactions for smooth startups and longer gear life. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.